Welcome to Guyana, the gateway to South America. A pristine haven of abundant natural resources. We are a nation born in sacrifice and enriched by our togetherness. When we play, we celebrate every effort. When we celebrate, we salute more than success. We exude our right to move forward. You may not always notice, but everywhere you are, we are building bridges and linking communities. We are the only authorized Caterpillar dealer in Guyana, and we are driven by the delivery of sustainable integrated solutions to the most important productive sectors of the nation. It's not just what you build, it's how you build it. Your success depends on the foundation it's built on.
Built on trust.
Built on culture.
Built on pride.
Build to last. We believe that anything worth building should be built just once. That is why everything we do is meant to move you forward. We are driven by your success to be the undisputed leader in every sector of business we enter into, with a clear sense of permanence in time, which shall be carried out with excellence and due regards to the interest of all stakeholders. Corp. Let's build Guyana together.